go to your studio. That is the first step. Once you click on the studio, scroll down on the left. You have to be on the desktop version. So either use a computer or use the desktop version of your studio on Google Chrome. Click on Earn. When you click on Earn, it will open your monetization page. And then you click on memberships. When you click on memberships, it will open your membership page. Then you come here on the right where you see membership levels, the levels of membership you're offering, and then you can customize your default perks. So you click on the default perks, and then from the default perks, in the default perks, you come here, you'll see badges, you will see emoji, and you'll see the optional features. So when you click badges, you have an option here. You can either use generic YouTube image badges. Generic YouTube badges are these stars that most of you have. Most of you have never changed your generic YouTube badges into your customized badges. So you can now customize them by saying, I'm going to upload my own. If you look at all my channel members on the chat, they have badges next to their names. That is what I mean. If you upload your own, they will have these badges, special badges next to their names. If you use the generic ones, they will have stars next to their names. Okay. And then you can customize emojis as well. So emojis are also a fun way of also engaging your audience. So you have an option when you get monetized. YouTube gives you like 5 emojis, but the more your members increase, the more emojis you unlock. So get square images. The image has to be 1-to-1, so it has to be a square image, and then you can upload this image as much based on the number of emojis they give you. So you can upload. I have currently 10 emojis. If you're my channel member, please drop my emojis so that people understand what I'm talking about. If you're green, please drop those emojis. Flex your emojis. So you can get emojis that are for very customized, and then that is what you use to engage on the channel. So the emojis can only have one name, so you can't put separate names for the emojis, and that's it. And then you have optional features. Optional features are where your members can appear on your page. So you need to turn on that button, and you can customize the layout depending on what you want it to look like on channel customization. But I will leave that one for another day. So let me go back to where I was. Optional features. So there we go. There's recognition of your members within your video descriptions, where a section with the members' profiles, especially if you have more than 8+ members. And then member milestone charts. You can see the chart on the screen by David Hunt. David Hunt has been a member in the channel for 2 months. So you can see that. So you can do this, you can turn on that member milestone chart so that if you have channel members, always make sure you turn this on, because it's a very good way of also people can come into your channel and then they just click on the dollar sign and they can see they have a free member milestone chart that they can use on the chat just to say that they are still here and they support you. And it's a good way of also just thanking them for the trust.